Hello and welcome back to another Stitch of the Week video tutorial. I'm Crystal and this is Yarn Creations. So the last video that I did, I showed you how to do the front post single crochet. So in this video, I thought it would be a good idea to show you the back post. I'm going to make this video very short and sweet since this is just basically the same kind of stitch, except for we're working from the back instead of from the front. And again, it's going to create that kind of ribbed effect you see. So I already did one row that was with the back, the back post single crochet. So this is kind of what it looks like on the one side. So this is it here. And then that's what it looks like there. So, I mean, this might be, something that if you kind of wanted that like staggered ribbed effect when you're working back and forth, that you might want to do, one row with the front post single crochet and then do your next row with the back post. So it kind of just alternates between the two. A lot of the time you'll see any of the front post and back post are just, they're like an added stitch to a pattern just to kind of give it, a different look. I mean, I don't know if I've actually seen anybody do a project or pattern specifically just using back post single crochet. It's more of something that's kind of just introduced into a pattern. So you'll normally see it listed as BPsc, which is back post single crochet. Yeah, so we'll just get started here. I've already done a few stitches, but like the front post, when we went in and went through the other one, instead of starting from the front, we're actually going to work from the back. So we're just going to come in and then we're going to come around into the next stitch. So now instead of the post being at the front, it's now going to be at the back of our stitch. And then we're just going to pull through both of those. And then we're going to yarn over and complete our single crochet. So I'll show that to you again. So instead of coming in through the front, we're going to come in through the back. And then we're going to go into the next stitch. So now we have that back post is now at the back of our hook. And then we're going to pull through. We're going to pull through again there and finish off our single crochet. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time. So to do the back post single crochet, we go in through the back. So this is our front. We're going to go in through the back, then around into the next stitch, grab our yarn. So again, we have our post is now on the back of our hook there. And then we have to pull through both. I do find that for me, I think the back post is a little harder to work with. It feels odd to me to go in from behind, but you do kind of get the hang of it as you go along. Okay. But yeah, so like I said, whoops, I didn't want to make this video too long because it's pretty much just a addition to the front post single crochet, but instead this is just going in from the back and doing a stitch that way. And it still kind of creates the same type of pattern where you get that ribbed effect there. But yeah, so that is the back post single crochet. Thank you for watching. Bye.